hapon. Ah, sige. Start ko. I knew you since we were elementary. Nailhan natin ka sa una pa. You were attending church. Balo ka na. Dara kay Pastor Taho. Inod na. Inod! Pero facts. Actually, my first impression on you is not quite good. Nasayad ka na. You were garaon. Gara ba klase babae? Strong personality. And I said to myself that I won't be a guy for you. But things change sang nag-eskwela ako sa Bacolod, dito sa UNOR. You were at Lasal also at that time. We started dating. I come to you more dito and here also sa church. Ato we're also part of the music ministry. Then so much happened. I slowly understood you, who you really are on those moments while we shared the laughs, the food outside, the music, the burdens, and even the burdens of each other. You have seen me in my lowest moments. I've also seen yours as well. And that's the time I said, nakaingon ko sa kagalingon nga, busugal ko. We always believe sa phrase nga, walay pilitay. Diba? Walay pilitay. Kung asa dalan sa Ginoo, then be it. Dara ta. I courted you, then 10 months before ko nimo gisugot. While we were on, things became more challenging between us. But despite of those circumstances, the Lord my God never failed us. Though hard times may come, I just wanted to remind you na ako, I love you, and you don't need to push yourself too hard. Okay, lakas mo. Thank you, I love you.
Sige, maminot ako kay Ivy.
Grabe, nanukid siya kanila tanada. Sige. To my Adi, mga mo tawagan ni Ani is Adi. No? To my Adoy, to my Palanglang, to my Langga. No? Salamat for waiting. No? Salamat sa imong pagbuwat for almost 6 years. And for trusting me, trusting the will of the Lord for us. No? Even when things were uncertain. No, since nagkitaan ni Ani, nakitaan ko niya dito nga church sa una, and I saw him sa katong first year high school siya sa Mount Carmel College. No? And nakita na ko nga kaning bataa, no? Kaning bata, no? And then pero that eyes, ko nga eyes, no? Mo ni nakita na ko. Nakaingon siya ko na ako na ni mapana sa son. Charot. Thank you for, of course, honoring Mama, no? And my family and loving them as your own. No? For protecting me, not just my heart, but all that I am. Thank you for loving me gently, for giving me a peace I once only prayed for, and for letting me be fully myself. No, yan ka ganyan garaon ko. Thank you. And then, thank you lang no? You are my answered prayer, my safe place, and the love that reflects His grace. For almost 6 years, no? Kung isipon, mga 2 years or pila na jud kay inadlaw nga mong banan because you were in school and sometimes napag Cebu for review and then you work and then ako nara ko diri Escalante and we can only count the days that we were together and most of it na-experience pa nato sa church during weekends and yet in that seeming absence may langga you were always present in my heart. Salamat sa matag adlaw nga imo kong gitudluan nga love is not measured by the time spent together, but the patience to wait, the strength to understand, and the courage to stay. And now, karong adlaw, dili lang ikaw ang akong gipili. Apil ang imong mga damgo, ug ang future nga atong pagabuhaton hand in hand. I promise to be your rest in the middle of your storms, your silence when words are too heavy, and your home when the world feels too much. I will choose you in the waiting, in the growing, and in the becoming. Kay ikaw, dili lang ang akong gihigugma. Ikaw ang akong gihuna. Palangga ta ka, akong palanglang, akong Adi, and my John Lima Rodriguez. Yay! I love you, guys.